Assalamu alaikum everybody. We are going to learn how to submit an article to an international journal. First, you have to know the folders you have to have in your hand before submitting the article. Number one is the main text. Main text means the abstract, introduction, methodology, experimental setup, for example, the results, conclusion, and references, like this. That means no table. Look to the titles and subtitles at the left. So there is no table, no figure in the main text. Briefly, you can see all main text included in one file, right? So you cannot see any table, any figure here. Second, what we have the figure, separate file for figures, only including the figures, each figure in one page separately. Figure 2, that means second page. Figure number 3, that means third page, and so on. You have to know we have around 19 pages in the main text. That means the first page in figure file should be 20, right? This is 20 number of the page. First start with 20 till, I don't know, maybe the last page is 28. That means the third file should be the tables. Okay, the tables starts with page number 29, right? 29. Also, we have to put one table in one page. So we have, for example, 2 tables. That means 2 pages, right? What else? We have to write a cover letter. Look to the up is cover letter. Cover letter is a letter directed to the editor-in-chief, just to show what is the objective of the this article, what is the contribution of this article, and also the do you have any reference in the literature review published in this journal. Should be I will submit this article to applied thermal engineering. Okay, right, never mind, any problem directly will be corrected, right? So if we have lots of references published in this journal, you have to highlight that give an indication to the editor that this work, this research is a series of previous works and researches published in your journal, right? Beside, you cited these papers in your literature review, so you give credit to the journal, so he can maybe accept your article, right? So this is the cover letter. What else? Highlight. You have to highlight your article in 5 bullets only. Each bullet should be maximum 85 characters. All right, so how can I know I didn't exceed this range? Just go to the review and this word counter, right? So for the first one we have 83 characters with the space, should be with spaces, right? While for example here we have, I think, more than 85, it's 90, so you have to reduce to be maximum 85, right? What I have to show here, first you have to show what you have done, the main your work, what you have done, what you have achieved. Okay, maybe in the first 2 or 3 bullets. The rest should show what you have found, the main concrete findings. Okay, briefly, no need maybe to percentages or numbers. Just show best heat transfer, for example, and lower pressure drop is with this kind of something at the attack angle something. Okay, right? Just show the best, the main major findings, right, or results. This is in highlight. What else? Graphical abstract. You have to put only figure, no text, nothing explanation, for example, only text to show what you have done, what is your research about what. For example, here is a rectangular channel with what I mean, say a step, okay, a diverging, okay, and then something obstacle in the channel just to maybe make turbulence or like this. That's all. This is the graphical abstract. No need to put any text. While abstract, some journals need to put or upload the abstract separately. Okay, only the abstract, nothing else, right? And the last file is the conflict of interest statement. This is very important, just to show there is no funder, no any department, university, or any institution funded this work, okay, and all authors of this article agree about everything in this article, agree about the sequence of the author's names, and what else, nothing maybe, so you can read everything in this letter, okay. It is very useful and important when you upload your article. That's all what you need to prepare before uploading the files. Now I already log in the in my account on this journal, Applied Thermal Engineering. I have two accounts, one as a reviewer, second as an author. So I will go to the author tasks. Right here we have effect. Okay, this is the I already uploaded. I will remove first. 1 minute. Okay, we will start to a new submission. Right, you have to select the type of the article. It is do you want to publish in specific issues or regular issues? All right, so second, you have to select the type of research. Is it a research paper, review, short communication, book review, and like this. We have now research paper. Right, after that you have to put the full title of the research. Okay, just go up. This is the full title, right? Put here. Second is the abstract. This is the abstract, sorry. Copy and then paste here. What else? Keyword. Go down. This is the keyword, right? And then also copy paste. What else? How many co-authors are with you? This is already displayed in your account of the journal, so no need to put your name as you have already account and registered already. So add the co-author. We have one co-author with me. This is M.I. Ahmed. Alright, so this is his name, right? And what is the degree of academic position? He is a prof. Okay, email. Right, institution IIUM, Malaysia. Right, save. If you have other co-authors, you can already you can also add authors till the last one, right? If you finished, just press save and continue. the next web page will be uploading the files of the article. We will upload one by one. Okay, go to the article on the desktop, right? Here is article submission. We have to upload the main text first, as it is mandatory. You will see manuscript should be mandatory. Alright, no need to, if you want to describe something here, no problem. If you left it empty, also no worries. Upload another file. Let's be figures, for example, one by one. Okay, figures, this is the figures. Okay, we already uploaded the figure. You have to put the file type. It is a figure, right? What else? Tables, right? Go to the table, uploaded. So you have to configure the type of file. What else? Cover letter, for example. Okay, cover letter. What is the cover letter? I think this one, right? What else? Highlight. Where's the highlight? Right, where's the highlight? This is the highlights. Okay, we also need to upload the abstract. This is the abstract. Okay, the type it is abstract. What else we have to know? Table for cover letter, author agreement, maybe supporting MATLAB. Okay, I think that's all, so no need to conflict of interest. Graphical abstract, we need a graphical abstract also. Okay, so we uploading the graphical abstract. Okay, I think that's all files we need, 7 files. Alright, so we have to rearrange the sequence of files before saving and continuing, right? Order the files, rearrangement, right? Then save and continue. Here they need the references of the article. This is the references, all references. Okay, copy and then paste here. Okay, now we need also, I forgot to tell you about the suggested reviewers. We need to upload the reviewers that you need. Maybe they are experts in your article field. Okay, so I will add the first one. You have to know in the reviewers information should be well known, that the suggested reviewer must be well-known academic staff with the formal email, like this. You can see this is the formal email, this his or her name, and a university plus the country. About the country, all suggested reviewers should be from different countries, not from same country, and not from your country also. You have to know that, right? So this is the full name, first name, second name, is a doctor, right? What else? The country, China, email, the email, this is the email, and the institution, this is the institution, where the university, you can see, this is the name of university, the country, China, right? This is the China. Okay, and why you choose this reviewer? He is an expert in the field of the article, right? Save. Okay, so this is the reason, this is the professor. Okay, email and the university name plus the reason. Okay, I will continue to upload another 3, right? I already uploaded 3 reviewers, each one the name, the academic position, the university affiliation, email should be formal email, plus the reason, published many papers in this topic. He's an expert in the field of the article, has good experience in the current research area, and like this. Also we have another option, this is suggested the reviewers. Okay, funding acknowledgement, you have to confirm that if there is any site supported your work and funded it, you have to put something, acknowledgement at the acknowledgement section in the article, at the end of the article. Okay, just tick this option and then save and then continue. Now before complete the submission, you have to view and preview the all PDF files before confirming the submission. So just press here, it will be already downloaded. Then have a look carefully about the symbols, Greek symbols, equations, tables, and figures. Everything are well. Everything is no change in the symbols, in the equations. Okay, after that, if you don't have any problem in the PDF file, at that time you can just confirm the submission. But before press this button, complete submission, you have to confirm I have reviewed the PDF review of my submission and approve it for consideration by the journal. Okay, just click here, right? Second, I have read and adhere to the ethics in the publishing guidelines. Okay, so don't have any problem. Okay, just click here also, right? So we are waiting to complete the downloading. Okay, now after downloading the file, I will go through the article one by one, right? Okay, here the cover letter, conflict. Okay, this graphical abstract. Okay, so no change, the degree of the angles, subscripts, everything are well. Okay, the symbols, Greek symbol. Okay, this is the introduction. What else? Nothing change here. The governing equation, everything are well. Okay, what else? We are going to in the main text of the article. So this is the references. You have to focus on the page number. So we have 19 here. This is 20 when we merged the files of the figures with the main text. So everything is well. Okay, the last page in the figure file is 28, in the table should be 29. Okay, the highlight, so everything is okay, we don't have any problem. So now we can just press this button for a complete submission. Okay, I hope that this video is useful for every researcher and academic staff. My name is Dr. Hamdi. This is my website. You can contact me, and this is my email. Also, I have many academic videos on my YouTube channel. Just watch and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.